Welcome. If you want to use the face unlock on your OPPO A91, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now just scroll down, click on the fingerprint, face and the password. Let's click on the face, input your currently logged method and click on the enroll face. Here is the description that you have to read. Let's tap on the continue. And right now our smartphone is scanning our face and it is ready. So let's try if it is working. And it is. So as you can see, it's not like the most safe face unlock, because as you can see, half of my face was behind the camera, so you have to be careful, right, with this one. I recommend you to get the passcode. So wait a minute, I'm gonna show you. It's much safer, right? So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.